This video will show you how to set up and use Microsoft Translator and how to split your screen while using Google Meet so you can still see your participants' faces. Go to translator.microsoft.com. Log in with Google. You'll want to start a conversation, put your name, your language, and click the box that says I am using this product in a classroom. This will generate a code that you can give your students or participants, and they can also scan the QR code. You'll want to use a microphone of some sort. This will give you the best quality of translations. Next, we're going to show you how to split your screen. You want to minimize. You want to grab the tab you want and drag it over. If you're using Google Meet, click Present Now, share a window, click on the window you just dragged, and click OK. This is where you can still see your students' or participants' faces while you are presenting. I dragged over my presentation. Now I can go back and forth and see conversations and still have control of my Google Classroom. Translator.microsoft.com es un sitio web que traduce conversaciones en vivo. Los maestros tienen que comenzar la conversación e invitar a sus estudiantes con el código que genera el sitio web. Luego los estudiantes escogen unirse a una conversación y ponen el código, su nombre y el idioma preferible. This is an example of a live view of the translator.microsoft.com feature website. On my left, this is the teacher computer, and on my right is the student computer. So if I'm the teacher, I'm going to log in. My language is going to be English, and I'm using this product in the classroom. On the right, my students, I will ask them to open the same website and they're going to join a conversation, and then they're going to put in the code that I'm going to give them. I can see the code on the left. It's EHZRQ. They're going to put their name and the language they want to receive the translations in. So as you can see on the left, it's already translating what I'm saying. On the right, you see the Spanish version. I'm using a microphone. It is highly recommended that you use a microphone. If your students, other students who are not using the translator program speak with the microphone, it will not translate. If you do not have a microphone, it will translate anybody who turns their mic on. But if the students who are using the translator program try to speak and the teacher's not using a microphone, then it's going to translate the Spanish they're hearing into a gibberish English. When you're done with the meeting, you can export the transcript, save transcript if you wish. So if you look down at the bottom, I'm going to pretend I'm giving a little speech to the students. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to science. Please take out your notebooks. We're going to review our notes, and open your Google Classroom. The assignment is titled Science Experiment Number 1. Please open it, read the directions silently, and we'll come back in 2 minutes. So as you can see, it does translate it pretty well. As long as the teacher has a smooth speech, doesn't use a lot of slang, and doesn't speak in super long sentences, I found it works pretty good.